Why is my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system vibrating? Your system is vibrating most likely because something inside it, like a fan blade, motor, or a loose panel, is out of balance or not tightly secured, causing it to shake as it runs. Think of your unit kind of like a washing machine. When the clothes inside are not spread out evenly, the whole machine starts to shake and bump around. Your heating and cooling system works the same way. Inside the outdoor or indoor unit, there's a fan that spins really fast to move air. If that fan gets dirty, bent, or unbalanced, it wobbles instead of spinning smoothly, and that wobble turns into vibration you can feel or hear. Another thing many people do not know is that the metal panels covering the unit can loosen over time from years of heat and cold changing their shape, and even a slightly loose screw can make the whole cabinet rattle like a drum. Also, the copper lines running to your unit are supposed to be cushioned with rubber grommets, and if those wear out, the pipes touch metal parts directly and buzz loudly. A simple thing you can do right now is turn off the system, look at the outdoor unit, and gently press on the side panels to see if anything feels loose. One common mistake is assuming a vibrating system is always a big expensive problem, when a lot of the time it is just a dirty or unbalanced fan blade, so cleaning it can fix things fast. Another misconception is thinking vibration is normal and can be ignored, but leaving it alone for months can wear down the motor bearings and shorten the life of your whole system. People also forget to check if the outdoor unit is sitting level on its pad, and even a small tilt of just an inch or two can cause ongoing shaking, so checking that the base is flat and stable is an easy fix. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.